Do you think you need expensive skincare products for it to actually work? Think again. You don't need expensive, outrageous skincare products to achieve a clear, glowing skin. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you the best and affordable and effective skincare products that would actually work for your skin. No matter your skin type, this product that I'm about to share to you will definitely work on your skin. Hi guys, you're welcome back to my space. This is Jennifer Chris, and in today's video I am going to be sharing affordable, budget-friendly skincare products for you that would actually work on your skin to achieve a glowing and clear skin. You guys know what the economy is saying right now. You know that it is not it's not smiling, no. Okay, so you cannot carry all your money and start buying expensive products just because you want, to have a skincare routine. No. I'm here to give you budget-friendly, student-friendly, affordable skincare products that will actually work for you and that will do magic on your skin. I'm going to show you an affordable cleanser, an affordable moisturizer, an affordable sunscreen, affordable serums, affordable body washes that you can use to achieve a clear skin. You must not break the bank. Now, for cleanser, we all know that cleansers are just, they're not a big deal. Actually, they're a big deal. At the same time, they're not a big deal. Why did I say so? Cleansers are just there for you to cleanse your face from every dirt, every oil, every makeup, and every sunscreen. Other than that, you're doing too much on your face. Just get a good cleanser that you can use to remove dirt from your face. Now, an example of an affordable cleanser that you can use is this particular cleanser. This is the micellar gel wash from Simple. We already know that Simple is a good brand and this is a good product, okay? And you guys, this thing is, when I bought it was around 6,000 or 7,000 thereabouts. It's actually really affordable, okay? You can get this. It will last for you for a very long time. And you guys, this one is for dry skin girlies. You can use this, okay? You don't need to break the bank. Use this. You'll still be able to achieve a clear and a glowing skin. If you cannot lay your hands on this one, you can use this. This is Neutrogena micellar water. Can you see? Micellar water, you will use it to cleanse your face. Use it for cleansing, all right? For those of you that really want to double cleanse, after washing with this, you use this. If you know you're wearing makeup, for me, it's either I wash with this and use this after washing my face, or I use this to clean my makeup and then wash this afterwards. No matter how you want to use them, you can use them, but for double cleansing, you can use this like this. And if you come back, maybe you're so tired to wash your face, you can also use this one to cleanse your face and apply your skincare products, okay? This one is really affordable. I think I bought it around 6,000 plus thereabout. It's still under 10k. You can get this product and just look at the size. It's so big. Since I bought this product, see, I have used it severally, but you can see that it's still very full. So this is really affordable. For your cleansers, go with this. Now, for your serum, after cleansing your face, you need a good serum, right? Good. You can use this vitamin C serum from Balance. This one is still under 10,000 naira. Okay, so you wish to have a skincare routine with a vitamin C serum in it, right? You can use this one for your morning routine. This one has 3% active vitamin C, okay? And I know a lot of people that use this. This is very affordable, yet it will work for you. Now, if you cannot lay your hands on this, you can go for this. This is a caffeine serum from Face Fact. Is really affordable. The time I bought it was around 4.5 or 5.5 thereabouts. Really affordable, under 10k. And I must tell you, I've not done my review on this product, but very soon I'm going to do this review. It is highly effective. I'm in love with this product. I don't know why. I'm in love with it. It's highly effective. It will work for dull skin. It will work for dark spots. It will brighten your skin. Like, I can't believe that people are sleeping on this product. This product is highly affordable and effective, all right? Use these two for your serums if you cannot afford a higher serum like the ordinary good molecule and all of that, use this one. It will work for you. It's highly effective. After using your serum, for moisturizers, you can use this moisturizer from Simple. All right, this is the hydrating light moisturizer, and it is for all skin types. So no matter the skin type you have, you can use this. This is really, really affordable. You don't need to go and start buying very expensive moisturizers before you know. And I love this one so much because it is lightweight. Each time I use it, my skin feels so light, like so light. And then this one is from Vit Gold. This one is from Vit Gold. This is a vitamin C ascorbic acid facial cream. This is a moisturizing facial cream. If you cannot lay your hands on all of those very big products and expensive, you don't even need them. Use this one. It will brighten your skin. This one will brighten your skin. Trust me, I've used it. Let me open it for you. Can you see? I've used it. It will help to fade dark spots from your face, and it is very, very affordable. It's around 5,000, 6,000 there. No, it's around 3,000 thereabouts. This is Vit Gold. It's around 3,000 thereabouts. It will work wonders on your skin. Let's talk about your body lotion. Body lotion. Do you know you can achieve a very clear, glowing skin with affordable skincare, with affordable body lotions? Now, let me show you a very, very good body lotion that will brighten your skin and give you a clear and glowing skin. You see this body lotion, Vaseline? This is one that's in a bottle. Okay, it is very, very affordable. The time I bought it was around either 3,000 something, 4,000 something, but you can see the size, 400 ml. It's very large. It will last you for months, and trust me, see the I've not done review on this, but very soon I'm going to do it. The smell of this cream is beautiful, like magical. I love it. And what is written here is that it is even toned. It contains vitamin B3 and SPF 10, even though the SPF is in a lower quantity, but it is still good that it contains SPF. This body lotion is good. Get your hands on it and thank me later. It evens out your skin tone. It's really good, you guys. If you cannot afford Medix 5.5, please use this one. You will love yourself. If you cannot use this one, then try and lay your hands on this Disa vitamin C cream. This is a very affordable body lotion, and you guys, what I love about this body lotion is the fact that it is highly moisturizing. I'm going to buy this body lotion again. I love it so much. It's affordable. I think the time I bought it was around 5,500 thereabout. It's highly affordable. Okay, this one will not bleach you. It will maintain your skin color. Okay, but it's highly moisturizing. If you're a dry skin girly and you're on a budget, go get your hands on this thing. Go get your hands on this thing. This one has finished, but I know that I'm definitely going to buy it again. I love this product so much. Go and get your hands on this product too, because oh my god. Now I'm going to give you one particular body wash that is really affordable, but it's going to take your skin from 1 to 100. You see this Dove body wash? This is a game changer. I wasn't using Dove before, okay, but when I started using Dove, I am attracted, like I am glued to this particular body wash. This is the almond cream with hibiscus. You guys, it is moisturizing. I love, like, you see, the fragrance is something else. Apart from the fragrance, it will make your skin soft like a baby's skin, and it will make it supple. Like you know, you want to have a skincare routine and you don't have Dove body wash. What are you doing? You guys, I have given you a complete head to toe budget friendly skincare products that you can use. You don't have the excuse of saying, oh, I don't have so much money to buy this product and this product. All of the products I just showed you, they are below 10,000 naira. You can afford them. Some are even below 5,000 naira. Get your hands on these budget friendly affordable skincare products and watch your skin glow. This product, the combination of this product will take your skin from 1 to 100. Trust me. Just lay your hands on this product, use them, and come and thank me later. I have used all of these products, so I know exactly what I'm talking about. If you found this video really helpful, please give me a like, a thumbs up in the comment section. And if you're new to my channel, please do well to subscribe, all right, for more content, for more skincare content like this. Thank you guys for watching. I love you so much. See you in the next video. Bye.